I ordered a headband wig. The headband wig looks like this. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Chastity G. If you're back, welcome back, sis. And make sure y'all subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, comment, let me know what's good. Let me know how you feeling by the end of the video. You know, if any questions or concerns. Follow me on my socials. They'll be linked in the description. But before I go to the gym, let's get into the video. So I did open it, and I mean, I don't think it matters if I open plastic, but it came from AliExpress and it came through DHL. But this is the company that sent me the wig, and the person that sent it to me was super nice. So the name of the company that sent it to me is called BLG Official Store, and they're super nice. They say, hey friend, thanks for your order. We'll proceed ASAP and we'll get the wig in 3 to 5 days. Also, we'll put sweet gifts in for you. So follow our store to get more discounts in the future. I said, oh, thank you so much. All right, so they seem super nice. They stated that they sent some other products in with the wig, but so I'm gonna open it. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. So let's open it. Alright. 20 inch at 150% density. Cause I wanted it in thick, a thicker. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. But it's a little body wave. Alright, let me zoom back in. Hey, but yeah, I got a little body wave. Super cute. So far, so good. We're gonna get into the gifts. They gave you some cute headbands. Girl, I was about to say what the. Okay, got this cute little headband here. This one. And this headband. Super cute. They gave you 3. That's the headband wig. They gave you lashes. That's cute. And a wig kit. Okay, y'all. So I'm back with the wig kit. And we're gonna unbox it. Unbag her. And then we're gonna take off the lunch lady, you know? Take off the lunch lady. It has clips to clip in, and this is big. It's thick. This is thick. I was about to say, I can see the track, but it's the way I'm moving it. I'm cracking up. Okay. It got, this is a headband wig. So it got the black thing, got the Velcro. Yes, the Velcro was big. On the Amazon wig, the Velcro was so small. And I could not get it tight. I was so irked. And it has this thing to tighten it. So let's put sis on. Ooh, not like that. Not like that. I got this bag of headbands from Amazon. I showed you the headbands that came with the wig, but I'm gonna show you the headbands that came in this package, and I'll let y'all know how much it is as well. So these are these two. It came with this pretty one, a pink floral one, a tropical, ooh, so cute, another floral, it came with one of these. There's a lot of they have different options, like all of them, like you can pick ones that are not floral or whatever, like different combinations, but I love floral, so I got a lot of floral. Got the polka dot, then we got that pink polka dot. Let's not forget about the green polka dot. We got the blue floral, which is probably what I'll put on. I really like this one, the creamy floral. Came with this one. This one has birds on it. We got another tropical floral. This one. And then we got some stripes. So in total, I actually have another one that I did not include. It is in my room. So I know I changed outfits, but when I recorded this last, it lacked structure and the video was just all over the place. So I'm trying to get to the point, and we gonna get it popping with the review. So I started talking about how much I like the hair. Yeah, I like the hair. Cute. It look popping, you know? But the information, I gotta spill the tea, you know? So let me log in. I'm gonna put the picture of the wig right here. And it's gonna be a different picture than the one that I showed you. It's gonna be what it looks like on the mannequin. It says, BLG Ombre Human Hair Wig Body Wave Headband Wigs for Black Women. 150% density Brazilian Remy human hair wigs. I paid $120 for this wig. I don't believe that I paid for shipping. I got a 20-inch headband wig. I only paid $120 and shipping was free. It came in about a week or two, so give it like 3 to 5 business days. It does let you know a countdown for how long it takes them, or how long it should take them to get to the post office. And even them taking it there, it takes a couple of days for it to actually leave the post office. So let's see. I like this wig because you were able to choose the density. I was not making a purchase on a wig where you could not choose the density, because when I bought the Amazon wig, I did not know what the density even meant. So I did some research and I talked to my best friend who's into hair and stuff, and she let me know what the density really meant. So I was just looking up, you know, what's the thickest density and things like that. So if I wasn't able to choose the density, I was not buying the wig. So that was a mistake that I was not willing to make again, because I felt like the Amazon wig was kind of thin for me, being as though with this hair it's thick. It looked natural. It looks like it could be coming out of my head because I have thick hair. now that my hair is cut, I don't know about that, but don't nobody order it. It's cool. Take that pussy. It has a comb here, 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 and then it also has one on the back, but I don't really use the one on the back because for what? I normally just tuck it under so that it's not in the way, and then I tuck the Velcro part under so that it's not uncomfortable when I move my head, so I can't really tell that it's a headband wig, you know? The other thing that I will say is that the wig cap that it's sold to is very tight, and I love that. I love that. So it doesn't matter if your hair is not all the way flat, because when you pull it, it will make it flat. So the headband part of the wig cap is 22.5 inches. It is an elastic net. It also has hooks in the back as well as the Velcro. So if you want it to be a little tighter, you can make it a little tighter as well. So I love the variety that they provided with that. Overall, I think this wig was a very good purchase, and I really, really love this wig. So this is definitely I'm going out, but I don't feel like doing my hair, you know? So pop on the wig, do your edges when you got the wig cap on. Boom, get a cute little headband to match your fit. I got the headbands off Amazon, so you can definitely hit them up from. I'll also put that in the description box as well so that you guys can get it. And I'll also put the wig in the description as well. So if you're interested, then you can get it as well. So if you guys like this type of video, you guys like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your bell notifications on so that you're notified each time that I post. I do post on Sundays, but I think I'm going to add another day that I post for makeup as well, for the makeup tutorials, and then a different video on Sunday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.